Hi, welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a dotting tool with a pencil and a marble. Now you might think that's a bit weird, but if you don't want to buy a dotting tool, you don't want to invest in tools like that, and you think, well, what can I make today? This is what I suggest. So this video is all about a dotting tool and how you can create it with really strange things. I'm also going to be reviewing the Chameleon Flakes that I've bought recently, and I'm going to link these in the description for you to try it yourself. I think this one is going to be great. So without further ado, here we go.
watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. So this is the show and tell part where I tell you all about what I've just made and show you what it looks like. So here we go. So it turned out really long actually. I mean, I extended it a little bit because the pencil itself was quite skinny and I did want to have sort of plenty of room to hold on to it while you actually used it as a dotting tool. And as you can see, it's turned out quite long. It's probably about 20 centimeters or so. And then there is the marble on the end there. I have tested this out. This works really well on unbaked clay, and there's no movement. It's literally solid. I can't believe how well this actually worked out. So let's talk about the decoration of it. So as you saw, I stamped it and then put some mica powder on it, and then I got out these fantastic Chameleon flakes. Now these are by a company called Resin, and wow, as you can see, it's absolutely stunning. So it goes on a little bit like mica powder, but it doesn't have that kind of dustiness, and there is absolutely no transfer onto your fingers or anything like that once it is on. So let's just pop my hand in front here so you can have a good look at it as it goes around. The actual colouring is just absolutely amazing, and I definitely recommend using this for sure. So as I said in the start of my video, I am going to link the Chameleon flakes in the description. I do recommend them. I don't think they're particularly cheap, but they are going to be well worth it for your projects, particularly if you want something to be this jazzy once it's baked. So this is how you create a dotting tool from a pencil and a marble and some Chameleon flakes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. So I'm going to just do this bit here, so just in case you didn't see it before, this is really pretty. I'm holding it up like this because I think it gives it a better definition. You can kind of see exactly how it looks. Down here it's really sparkly, but as you can see, there is no transfer whatsoever. So it goes on like mica powder, but there is just nothing that comes off. Woohoo! We'll be using this in my next video. I have used these. Oh, lost it. I lost it. It's rustly in the kitchen, you sound like a cat in a litter tray. Hi, and thanks for watching. Oh dear. I'm going to show you how and it's just going to be crazy. No, rubbish. Absolute rubbish. God help me. Hi, and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. I've got stars in my eyes. Hi, and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So, oh dear. Do I like it? I don't like it. I don't think I like it. They are just amazing. So I'm going to start again because this is just insane. Honestly. Subscribe.